In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone in Instagram Reels video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram, hit on your profile icon, and there tap on plus sign and select Reel. Now you can create your reel as you want. You can use your camera, add there some filters, and also you can upload video from your gallery. I'll upload it from my gallery, select that one, and then hit add. Now I can hit on next button and there hit on next again. Then I have to tap there on tag people, and to be able to tag someone in your Instagram reel, just hit on that plus sign and use search for a person. There I can enter some person's name, username, and just hit on that person to tag it to your Instagram reel and then hit done. And now you can hit share to share that reel to your Instagram reels. That's how it works, guys. So now don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.